I see your videos?
Occasionally. Get it!
What? Oh, fuck!
Was that fish?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
That looked like a snag.
No, it tapped. You kept tapping on me, bro.
You broke it off?
Holy shark! Oh! Shark! Shit! That's huge! Oh, look at that, dude! Fight the current! Fight the current! Oh,
Shark boils.
oh, there it goes, look at it! It's flying!
What? You have a bite? You have a fish? Here, I got the net. Bring it over. Dude, not a bad one. Alright, here, I'll unhook it for you. Alright, free spool for me? Alright, you want a picture? It's a little spotty.
Baby.
Cast on that same piling.
Huh?
I cast on that same piling. Alright, just lip him. You got him? You want a picture? Alright, well, clean release.
I'm gonna go right back to that.
There's a good one. Holy crap, he got off.
I saw that too.
Oh my god. That was a nice one. How is that not? How did I not get that? You got one, you got it. Here. Pull him up, pull him up.
Oh, shit, that might be bottom.
It didn't look like it. Pull him up.
No, it's bottom.
Oh, really? Here, alright, I'll get it. Maybe he had a fish. And it went to cover. Yeah, and really? Oh, damn, dude, that's a big fish. Oh, it's a good one. Bring him to me, bring him to me. It's a big spotty. Holy crap, that's what I missed.
Huh?
This is what I missed.
Yeah!
That's a huge spotty. He swallowed your swim bait. Or I can't get it.
Don't have to, I guess.
It's fine, I'll get him.
That dude.
Oh, he's bleeding a little.
What?
He's bleeding a little.
Is that bad?
Well, it's not good if he's bleeding. That's a good spotty. Here, I'm gonna pop the hook out. Do you have pliers?
Yeah, I do. Wait, can I get a picture?
Yeah. Oh shit, he's hooked pretty bad. Well, oh shit, his throat's like coming out.
Is it really?
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Hey.
Alright, you wanna get a quick measurement. I got him. Can you hold this too? That's a definitely legal spotty.
I don't want to hug you.
It's like 14 inches. You want me to put him on a scale? Just to get him back?
Let's go.
Alright, your swim bait's destroyed, but you should be okay.
I got another one.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna just revive him.
Yeah. Back? Yeah.
Well, forgot to turn the GoPro on. But oh god.
Silly goose.
Caught a nice spotty, maybe illegal.
Is it bigger than it mine?
Possibly.
It looks big.
He is a big guy. Same size as yours, he's 14.
Good fish, dude.
Yeah.
Stock?
Pretty good. Do you have pliers available?
Yeah.
Actually, never mind. I got it.
Huh?
I think I got it actually. Yeah, there we go. Nice spotty. He's legal. We're not gonna keep him.
This looks like a pilot.
So I found a dead sardine, and I just got bit at this piling, and missed it, of course. So I'm gonna try the spotty special. I don't want the 3-year-old dead sardine.
The moment we forget 3 GoPro turn-ons.
Oh, I just forgot another GoPro turn on. Hook this on the mooring can. Alright. Good?
I don't think this is a fish, dude.
Could be. Measure him about 11-12 inches. So we're heading in now after fishing with Josh. Got
any of the catches on
2 fish each. Yeah, the GoPro turned off during some of the fish, so that's unfortunate. But overall, it's fun. Just fish swim baits and jigs. Yes, he caught a mahi.